Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with EMS Now. I'm here on the show floor at IPC Apex 2019. Stopped by the Aegis booth here and ran into Jason. Thought kind of stop and ask a few questions, see what's happening. Let's start kind of generally the connectivity, what's going on. You have the dashboards at various booths throughout. What's going on?
Well, the CFX standard has become an IPC standard, so it's a big event at the show, and it's evidenced all over. There's 80 machines, 33 vendors pumping data throughout the show into a cloud server, and the dashboards, there's FactoryOptix dashboards operating in 22 different booths right now, and our booth as well. So we turned the entire show, the demonstration lines upstairs and those 22 booths around the floor, into a virtual factory, and you can actually see any other booth from any of the dashboards. So it's really it's never been done before, and it's really a testament to what CFX is doing now for the industry.
That's fascinating. Now I noticed behind us here we have something going on. Is this augmented reality?
Yeah, that's one of the products that's being announced at the Apex show from Aegis this year, our FactoryOptix augmented reality visor. It's actually being used there. That enables, it solved the problem that many of our customers had, where operators are building something where it just isn't convenient to have a user interface. There's no room for a PC. They're up on a gantry building a satellite that's actually suspended, or they're in a wing section, or they're assembling a cabinet where there's really no room. It's ideal to project FactoryOptix work instructions in the field of view, hands-free, and it's voice activated, so you don't even have to press a button to index to your next instruction. So it's certainly not meant to replace every workstation on the floor, but for those applications where you can't use your hands, it's really it's the first augmented reality for that purpose in our industry.
It sounds almost like a Google Home for the factory floor.
It is very much like that when you start speaking to it, yes.
Yeah, exactly. Now there's obviously other things going on here too. What else are you doing here in demonstration?
That's true. We actually have a few product rollouts going on. We have our enterprise hybrid cloud model that we can deploy on now, which, there's been a rush towards cloud enterprise platforms, but in MES, cloud has problems because unlike ERP or other applications, if the connectivity with an MES system goes down, you can't build products. So connectivity 100% of the time is critical, but customers want enterprise global reporting across all their factories. So we've invented a hybrid where you have the benefits of the cloud, but you have the reliability of on-premise installations, but you can do your analytics globally across hundreds of factories in one system. So that's a really big advancement for our larger customers. And then there's also the rollout of our extended quality management system. So now not only are we doing in-process inspection and repair, we've done for many years, but we've augmented it to handle the workflows about the administrative reaction to quality. So corrective action, preventive action, MRB control, incoming quality sampling and inspection. So it's a holistic solution for our customers where all of your quality concerns can be solved in one platform. So we're very busy this.
Yeah, no, it sounds like. And how does tell me about that interaction with the customers and how you're refining and developing and doing all this. Is that just an ongoing kind of intuitive kind of process? Is this kind of more structured? How does that work?
It's, different companies have different ways to guide their roadmaps, but our customers, in fact, we just had our user conference out here in San Diego, and we value that immensely because half our user conference is getting the customers to have roundtables of their own to tell us what their business needs are going to be in 5 years. And we take a great deal from that. And our customers have always been the genesis of all the vision we've had and how we built the product out. Because, having focus groups or maybe talking to analysts, it's not enough. The customers tell us all the time what their challenges are. For example, like the FactoryOptix, they're starting to have situations where user interfaces aren't possible. And we've built this solution for it. So it's they that guide our vision, and we take that very seriously.
Oh, that's excellent. Well, thank you. I took up more time than I wanted to, but Jason, thanks for taking time to share with us today.